Shah. I am working in St. Philomena High School as an English teacher, and I have completed my post-graduation and BA too. I have 4 years of experience in teaching field. So today I am going to teach you Self-Reliance, the poem Self-Reliance. Okay, the name of the poem I am repeating again, Self-Reliance, from 7th standard literature book. So Self-Reliance is the poem written by Kathleen Delicato. The Self-Reliance is the poem written by Kathleen Delicato. So come, let's read the poem.
So Self-Reliance by Kathleen Delicato. I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions. But ultimately, it's I who will decide. I will be the ruler of my dominion, determining which road I will take with pride. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. Though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win.
So let me read out the poem again. I realize now that I am alone. Who is alone here? The poet Kathleen Delicato is alone here. So what is the meaning of alone? So maybe she had no parents, or she was an orphan. So that's why she was no one to guide herself. So that's why she thought that, or she was thinking that she is alone, or she was alone. On myself I must learn to rely. So rely means here to depend. So she was thinking that at that point of life she should depend on herself only. If I fail, I must continue to try. So she was telling herself that if she will fail in what? Suppose you are writing an exam and you will fail in the exam. So you have to continue the next try. You have to continue to trying again and again. You should not give up. Suppose you failed in an exam, will you leave study? No, right? So like the poet was thinking, if I will fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions. So if the poet was seeking some opinions, she should have asked the teachers or someone who were there for her or to guide her. But it is not like that she will give up. I can ask others for their opinions. But ultimately, it's I who will decide. Like if you are writing an exam, before the exam, your parents will guide you, the teachers will guide you, friends and family will guide you. But it is you. It is you who have to write ultimately. You people have to write the exam in exam hall. No one will come and write on behalf of you. Right? So I will be the ruler of my dominion. So the poet was thinking what she will do. She has to be the ruler. If you are writing the exam, you have to be the ruler of your dominion. Dominion means territory. I mean, in which field, whatever you are doing, you have to be the ruler or the best one in this field. Determining which road I will take with pride. I mean, with the feeling you have to determine the way of the work of the success today. Though some may disagree with my choices, some people will say, no, you are doing wrong, you are choosing the wrong route or wrong path. Thinking they know a better path to take. Your friends will tell you, do this, do that, they will guide you. Some opinions will be in your favor, some opinions may not suit you. But what to do? They will know a better way as they think. But thinking they know a better path to take. They are thinking that they know better than you. Though people in abuse raise their voices, but if you are not listening to them, if you are not taking their opinions, if you are not taking their advices, people will say bad words for you, like abuse you. But it's up to me, my destiny to make. So whatever will be your future, or if you want to get succeeded in a work or in your life, you have to decide and you have to make or confirm your destiny. It's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin. So you have to start believing in your own, in yourself, to learn how to stand alone and how to win. I mean, without any other's help or without any other support, you have to know how to win and which path you should take, which takes you to the success. So now we will go to the new words from this poem. Okay? Come. So rely means trust or have faith. Then dominion means territory. Determine means decide. Path means route. Abuse means bad words. Destiny means fate. So these are the new words you are learning from this poem. You have to read out again and again these words, all of these words, and you have to practice in your notebook. Then the hard words are there, like realize, continue, opinion, ultimately, decide, ruler, dominion, determining, and pride. So I hope you all learned the lesson. You all understood the meaning of the poem. So you have to read out the poem in home again and again, and in the next class I will ask you the questions. Okay? Thank you.